Today, in our Giant Swerte Bowl activation, we have a human claw machine where people can get attached to the harness and win various prizes, including our Chinese style soups. But of course, we're most excited to be part of their table. We hope that consumers can have a comforting bowl of soup after this. We know that it is really difficult to think of different meals to prepare, whether every day or for special occasions like Chinese New Year. So Knorr Soups is here as your simple hack in order to make your special bowl of soup for your family.
Thank you, Knorr! Ang dami kong nakuha. Thank you!
Ang saya dito, salamat Knorr.
Ang saya dito, salamat Knorr!
Ang saya dito, salamat Knorr!
Happy Chinese New Year, Knorr!
Basta Knorr, kaya mo iluto yan.
Happy Chinese New Year! Salamat, Knorr!
Basta Knorr, kaya mong iluto yan!
Happy Chinese New Year! Basta Knorr, kaya mong iluto yan!
We want to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year. This is a reminder that this year, swerte is in your hands. Basta Knorr, kaya mong iluto yan.